are my favorite. This is why. Monday morning. There's a little star in the dark silent night. There's the silver shine of the first ray of light. The early birds call, chirp, tweet and peep. The clock on the wall shows its time to leap. The fresh morning breeze fills the soul with joy. A splash of cool water makes the heart go ahoy. Mummy fills the tummy with breakfast made with love and has packed his lunchbox already. Always one